Welcome back to the HTML series. In this episode, we're learning HTML text tags. These tags help control how text appears on a web page. We'll learn headings, paragraphs, bold text, italic text, underline, and line breaks. Let's start with headings. HTML provides 6 heading levels from H1 to H6. H1 is the largest, and H6 is the smallest. Headings help organize content and create structure. Now let's create a headings file. Now let's create the basic HTML structure that we learned to create in last video. Here we type H1 through H6. When opened in the browser, we can see the size difference. This helps create titles and sections. Remember to use only one H1 per page. Next, let's talk about paragraphs. The paragraph tag wraps normal text. Each paragraph starts on a new line. It also adds spacing automatically. Here we create 2 paragraphs. When opened in the browser, both appear separately. This keeps text clean and readable. Now let's format text. The bold tag makes text heavier. It highlights important words. The italic tag tilts text slightly. It is used for emphasis or titles. Now let's try this practically. You can also combine bold and italic. Just nest one tag inside another. Now let's look at underline and line break. The underline tag draws a line under text. Use it carefully, because it can look like a link. The line break tag moves text to a new line. It is self-closing. You just write BR and the text continues below. Here's how you can do it. Here's how a full HTML file would look after we put everything we learned today. Now let's put everything together. We create a full HTML page. We add headings, paragraphs, bold, italic, and line break. When opened in the browser, everything appears structured. This is how HTML text tags work together. Let's recap. Headings control size and structure. Paragraph wraps text. Bold makes text heavy. Italic slants text. Underline draws a line. Line break moves text to next line. In the next episode, we'll learn links and images. Thanks for watching.